Baby.
And the video.
Yes, girl.
Come on, yeah.
Come on, yeah.
Come on, you do it first.
Talk to them.
Bye-bye. You'll come back.
Baby.
Baby.
Now you love video. What's up, guys? Welcome back, baby. Na yon lot video. Ça me dit nous. Est-ce que m'pas dit nous depuis nous on paraît dans toilette. Nous on vient cacher. Faut que nous devons nous getons soumé nous connaissons ça qui va passer. Eh bien, je dis à guys, moi tourner back avec un autre prank. Mais je dis à il va sous bébé m'a fait non sous mademoiselle Yamie. Chérie, Yamie qui a 3 ans mais chérie, m'a pas Yamie prank qui marche avec l'âge li. Tout le monde dans là en bas, tout le monde a passé. D'après il dit Yamie son petit monde. Pour qui ça m'a prank Yamie? Et bien petit monde. Venez avec un petit point pour Yamie dans l'âge Yamie. On déjà connaissez maman mieux, moi remel, moi pas faire crier, moi pas faire bagay qui trop grave. Il pas un grand monde. Mais quand t'as pas bailler un petit point dans l'âge li, c'est oublié ça. Parce que nous ça quand même là je dis là. Je dis à guys, moi qui un poupou. Moi qui un point poupou. Que je vais faire, je dis, c'est nous. Dans question, on a dit, Yamie, c'est Timouni, il va pas comprendre. Yamie a un point, mais je vais le point qui allait avec l'âge. Eh bien, guys, mes amours, je dis à là, mais qui point, moi, je pour cher Yamie. J'ai une petite toilette, ça, m'acheter dans Amazon, on fait toilette, nous avons un point jouer. On va nous venir avec toilette dans la figure nous. Soyez manger mes amours. Mais qui point qu'on va faire je dis. Moi avec Yamie nous ce cabane là pour jouer. Et puis après on dit on a fait jouer nous dans quarantaine nous pas bien faire ça jouer toute journée. So guys, dès qu'il y a une petite toilette ça. The way du fou. Dès que tu toilette ça, guys, je pas continuer. M'acheter là Amazon. C'est pour bébé m'acheter lui, mais j'aimerais pas qu'elle là ça même pas qu'un bébé avec, so me prend Yamie avec, so puis tu me prends Yamie avec, tu me pas prendre personne même. Mais les bébés, mais toilette. Ouais, pongé, il va en faire toilette. Il va en toilette de non son fait toilette. Oh mais ma chérie. Oh. Il fait une éponge, mais il fait une forme toilette là. Nous voyons qu'on son morceau toilette. C'est tout, oui. Qu'on est là, pendant que je joue avec Yamie sur cabane là, il prenait une petite virée tête, il m'a dit la gueule sur cabane là. Et puis il m'a dit, Yamie, pour toilette sur cabane là. Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé? Puis nous avons réaction, Yamie a 3 ans. Il fait 3 ans en février à cette passé là. Mais les fois, moi, j'ai l'esprit. So, je ne sais pas qui ça va dire, mais, guys, I'm sorry about that, Yamie, pas parler créole. Donc, il fait comprendre, il ne peut pas parler. So, c'est qu'on a fait essayer de montrer parler créole. Donc, on est. Les fins a commencé à parler, et puis là, l'école dans l'équipe, c'est celle d'anglais au parler. So, même là, je fais fois avec l'anglais, il fait toute journée dans l'équipe, aller dans l'équipe à 7h, là, venir à 6h30, 7h du soir. So, c'est anglais plus tendé. So, je fais ça, je suis capable de montrer que là, dans la tête, il m'a beaucoup l'entrée. En attendant, là, je parle avec l'anglais, mais m'a traduit pour nous, tout ça dit, ok guys. En passant guys, m'a tout dit non, merci un peu là tout nouveau abonnés. Et puis guys, si nous aimons, moi nous quitter paquet belles petits commentaires pour moi mes amours. Oh my god, nous sentons dans le bien. Merci un peu pour tout belles petits commentaires tout le monde. Et puis si nous aimons Yamie, nous aimons Mr. Chris dans Kaila. Guys, partagez vidéo yo. Si nous besoin de channel la monter, si nous besoin de plus P.r.a.n.k, baby, partagez vidéo avec toutes les amis, toute famille, nous menons l'autre amis. Chaque grand nous là, si nous menons 5 amis, nous menons 4 amis, nous menons 10, 20, 30 amis, channel là a monté bien vite. Et nous tous, nous besoin de channel là monter, ouais. Ça veut dire guys, aidez-moi partager channel là. Et puis like vidéo yo, quittez commentaires, moi mettez commentaires, nous allons prendre temps répondre nous tous. Quittez commentaires. Ok guys, on va entrer dans la vidéo. Let's get into it. Bye. What's up guys? Sakafet. Welcome back. Naya video. So say hi guys, say hi guys.
Hi guys, welcome back.
Yes!
Baby.
Hey!
And the last video.
Yeah! Welcome back, baby. Naya
Baby. And the last video.
So guys, let's see how video mo do Yamie start. Video mo le puno guys. So 6 point. 6 point puno.
No, it's not here. I lost it. Okay, guys. I lost it right now.
What did you lose? You saw Patsy?
Because I lost it, guys. Why can't I hold it like time?
Huh?
Why you guys?
Don't be sad. It's okay. What happened this? Okay?
My baby card.
Huh?
My baby card.
It's okay. Let me look for it. Kita me do chercher une canne. Copy. Oh my god. Oh! Yamie! What is this? You boo boo on the bed. Why? Why did you boo boo on the bed, Yamie? Kisa ka toilet suka na? Oh?
Daddy falling by my bed.
Papi toilet suka na? Say, who keep us? You boo boo on the bed. Why? Why did you boo boo on the bed? Huh?
Huh?
Why did you boo boo on the bed?
Pick it up.
What you mean pick it up?
Pick it up.
You pick it up because you boo boo on the bed.
No, I don't want to pick it up.
You did that, why? Say who first, Abagwe? You did that. Yamie, what happened? What happened? What is this? Huh?
Jackson pooped in my bed.
Who did that?
And Jackson.
Jackson?
Yeah.
Who's Jackson? Qu'est-ce que Jackson? Who's Jackson?
My bed. Oh, it's a boo-boo.
Who did that?
Jackson.
Who's Jackson? Qu'est-ce que Jackson?
Mom.
Ma papa est passé sur mon bout. Attends-moi.
Guys, look at this.
What happened? What happened? What is this?
This is a boo-boo.
Qui ça est là? Qui ça est? Ou toilette sous cabane là? You boo boo on my bed. Why? Did you do that? Did you do that? Est-ce que c'est où fait ça?
That boo-boo in the pillow.
Let me see your booty. Did you? Oh my God, Yamie, you boo boo on my bed. Ou toilette sous cabane là? Ça passe? Why you pee pee? You pee pee and you boo boo on my bed. Why? Qui ça fait pee pour toilette sous cabane là? Did you do that?
No, Jackson.
Who's Jackson? Qui est-ce que Jackson?
No, he in the boo-boo.
Who? Qui est-ce que Jackson?
He in the boo-boo.
Why did Jackson do that? Qu'est-ce que Jackson fait ça?
Open inside.
But c'est où qui fait? C'est où même qui fait?
I'm not playing this one.
Which one?
Jackson inside.
What?
Jackson inside. Open it inside.
But you did that. You picked.
No. Jackson do that.
About the fait? Jackson do that?
Open it inside.
Where did you boo boo?
No, open inside.
But it's your boo-boo, you push it out right here. Look what you did, get a sofa ou toilet sou kaban mwen. Why did you do that? Oh. Who did that to the bed? Qui est-ce qui fait ça?
Jackson.
Qui est-ce que Jackson now? Who's Jackson?
And in the boo-boo.
Jackson boo-boo in the bed?
Yeah, he inside.
One side where?
Open it.
It's a boo-boo. I'm pas qu'à l'ouvrir, I'm not l'ouvrir, I'm pas qu'à l'ouvrir son toilette hier. Hein? Gade unicorn ou, mais unicorn na meli. Unicorn na chita à côté. See?
There you are.
There you are, unicorn.
Oh, I found nice. Look at you.
Oh, t'as cherché?
Yeah, I'm looking at you.
Oh, that's so nice.
Boo-boo.
No, okay. Boo-boo, dis-moi mon unicorn. Show them your unicorn.
Look at my unicorn, guys. Found it.
You found it? T'as cherché?
Yeah, because it has mice. Because I was moving it. Because in the mice, boo-boo in it.
Mommy, it wasn't me. I didn't boo-boo there. I'm at the toilet lah. Who did that, Yamie?
Mommy, you did that in the boo. Why be on my bed?
I didn't do that. But first, I woke first.
Why do you not like my bed? Why be on my bed?
I didn't pee on your bed. You did that on my bed. Who made you
Why doing that now?
I didn't do anything. But first,
Nah.
Yes, moon ki fait
No.
ça.
Why I talking to you?
If I'm même qui fait ça, Yamie, I don't know who did that. Qui est moun qui fait ça?
Why doing that?
It wasn't me. Did you do that? Est-ce que c'est vous?
No, I said I don't talking to you.
Oh my God, who did that, Yamie?
Because do not touch our little baby thing.
Oh my God, talk to them.
He said I don't want to hear that movie. It's raining. Smells in there.
It smells. Yamie dit sorti. What happened? Tell the people what happened.
My mommy's bed because it doesn't do it outside.
Oh, sorry. So Jackson did that on mommy bed. Jackson qui toilette sous cabane là. C'est mon Dieu qui s'est passé sous cabane là.
What happened to mommy's bed, guys? So why is Jackson doing that?
Jackson qui fait ça sous cabane là? Huh? Jackson did that?
Why is Jackson doing that all night?
All night, Jackson, chaque soir, Jackson vient
Why
dans la
dress? No! No, I don't want to sit in the boo-boos.
Ou pas de chita sur toilette? Yamie.
Mommy, can you go pick it up?
Pick it up, but it's a boo-boo. It's nasty. It smells bad. It's senti. M'baka manger. Mais Yamie dit me ramasser. M'baka ramasser. Les sales, les dirty. Huh?
Ain't that a lollipop?
Non, il est pas en sirette lié. Son toilette lié. It's not a lollipop.
Sorry, Mommy. Sorry, I boo-boo your bed.
Sorry, you boo-boo on my bed.
Yeah.
It's okay, but why did you do that? Tak pa toilette sa laban, no?
I can't boo in my bed.
Yeah, upat toilet sa kaban, no? Toilet sa kaban mo. Why?
Can
I'm going to eat the boo-boo.
You want to eat the boo?
Manger.
You're going to boo-boo. You're not going to eat boo-boo. You're going to get sick.
If I eat it, I'm gonna get sick. Si manger, I'm malade.
Don't eat it.
I'm not eating it. Mbap manger.
Don't eat that.
Why?
If you don't eat it, don't eat that. She needs to spit the boo-boo because they're going to get dirty.
Yeah, there's germ in the boo-boo.
Put it in the toilet.
Yeah, you have to put the boo-boo in the toilet. For me, the toilet la na boo-boo na toilet la because it can germ
Put
la.
that in the toilet.
It's not a real boo-boo, sweetie. It's a fake boo-boo. Some fake boo-boo liye.
It's a big one.
Yeah, it's a big one. It's a big fake boo-boo.
Yeah, I don't want to put it on my head.
Why? No, you don't want that?
No, I don't like the boo-boo.
Oh my God.
No, Mommy. Why too many dump?
You don't want to touch it?
No.
Okay. It's just a fake boo-boo. It's not a real boo-boo.
Take it away. I don't like it in the house.
Ubang may nakaila jetel. Take it away.
Yeah.
Why?
Can we take it away and flush it?
Flush it in the toilet?
Yeah.
Why?
Put it in the toilet and flush her.
Why?
Put it in the toilet and flush.
Parce qu'il senti? He smell bad?
No, take it away. I don't like the boo-boo in the house.
Ou di Yamie di ba mettre toilette là dans kaila, mettez l'autre côté dehors. Take it away.
Mommy, take it away. I don't like the boo-boo in the house.
Okay, I'm going to put it in the garbage. Mwen mette in the fatra, okay?
No, put it in the toilet.
No, Yamie di pa mette in the fatra, mette in the toilet la. Why you want me to put it in the toilet? Huh?
Because I need to put it in the toilet. I don't like to put it in the house.
Oh my God, I don't know what to do.
I don't have to put it around to put it like this.
Huh?
Are you going to blow me?
Yes, I'm going to flush you in the toilet.
No.
Mwen flush you in the toilet la.
No, pick me up. I can get down and go. And just, I can sit down.
No, mwen mette in the toilet la. Because the toilet
no,
so.
no. No, I'm not boo. I'm Yamie.
Oh, you not a boo, you Yamie. Yamie di pa mette in the toilet la parce que c'est Yamie yi pa en toilet.
Pete, no. Don't put me going to go get me blow.
Don't put you in the toilet.
No.
Pa mette in the toilet la.
Yeah, close the party.
Close it.
Yeah, close it.
But I'm going to flush you in the toilet.
No! No!
Why?
No,
Okay,
don't
okay.
make it blow. Don't
Okay.
make it blow.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. I'm not going to put you in the toilet, Mama. It's okay, alright? Alright, princess? It's okay. Don't cry.
Mom,
Watch
I need to
me.
get down.
Okay, let me put you down, okay? I'm going to give it back to Jackson. Mabay ba Jackson li encore, okay?
Okay, go put it in the garbage.
Okay, Yamie.
Go put it in the garbage in the kitchen.
Cuisine na, metel na fatra ki na cuisine na.
No, don't do it like this. You gotta do it, put it in the garbage.
Okay. Say, don't forget to subscribe.
Here's the card, take the button. Don't close my button, okay?
Okay, guys.
Don't take slows, okay?
Okay, bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys. See you next time.
No time.
Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like.
I'm upset now.
Oh, I'm tired.
I'm tired too.
You tired too?
Yeah, you take a nap.
You need to take a nap?